Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today we're diving into a classic with a modern twist, the Guerlain Shalimar Souffle De Parfum EDP Spray. This fragrance is designed for women of all skin types and promises a long-lasting scent that's meant to increase your allure wherever you go. So let's explore if this iconic scent lives up to the hype. Starting with the basics, the Shalimar Souffle de Parfum is a fresh, airy interpretation of the legendary Shalimar fragrance. It's an eau de parfum, which means it has a higher concentration of fragrance oils compared to an eau de toilette, so you can expect good longevity. Guerlain highlights its softness and subtlety. It's not overpowering, but rather a delicate whisper of scent. The bottle itself is elegant and understated, holding 3 ounces, perfect for daily use or special occasions. When I incorporated this into my routine, I found the application smooth. The spray disperses evenly without being too heavy. The fragrance opens with light, citrusy notes, but what really stands out is the delicate balance between powdery vanilla and subtle floral touches. On my skin, it felt fresh but cozy, without any cloying sweetness. I wore it throughout a busy day and even into the evening, and it held up nicely without needing reapplication, which is impressive for a fragrance of this softness. What I liked most was how versatile it is. Whether you're headed to work or out for dinner, it adds just the right hint of sophistication without screaming for attention. The scent develops nicely over time, revealing warmer, more sensual layers that feel intimate and inviting. On the downside, because it's so soft and subtle, if you're someone who prefers bold statement-making perfumes, this might feel a bit too gentle. Also, while the fragrance lasts well on my skin, those with very dry skin might notice it fades a bit sooner. So the pros: elegant, long-lasting for a souffle-style fragrance, versatile for day and night, and skin-friendly for all types. The cons: it may be too delicate if you want a powerful scent, and dry skin might need a touch-up. Now looking at the price point, Guerlain is a luxury brand, so this Souffle de Parfum sits at a higher price tier. Given the quality of the fragrance oils and the lasting power, I believe it offers good value for those who want a refined, subtle scent. If you're seeking something more affordable with a similar soft vanilla floral vibe, brands like L'Occitane or Diptyque offer lovely alternatives, though they might differ in complexity. Compared to other Guerlain Shalimar versions, this souffle is definitely the lighter, more modern option. If you love the classic but want something less intense, this is a smart choice. The packaging is beautiful and sturdy, reflecting Guerlain's commitment to luxury. No issues with the spray mechanism. It works perfectly, giving a fine mist each time. Although I didn't personally interact with Guerlain's customer service, the brand generally enjoys a strong reputation for excellent support, which is reassuring for buyers. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap things up, the Guerlain Shalimar Souffle de Parfum is a graceful, lasting fragrance that suits anyone looking for a soft yet captivating scent. It's especially perfect if you appreciate classic perfumery with a gentle modern update. If boldness is your thing, you might want to explore other options, but for elegance and subtle attraction, this one truly shines. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried Shalimar Souffle, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear what you think. The link to purchase is in the description box and comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.